Welcome. In this video we are going to learn search targets in Metasploit. After we have set up new workspace, we need to scan a host in order to save its detail in the database and attack it automatically with the db-auto-pwn plugin. So let's quickly perform a scan with the nmap plugin in Metasploit named db-nmap and store its result in the database. Let's open up MSF console in terminal. MSF console is opened here, and now type host. Here you can see that existing host in the database 192.168.0.3, 192.168.0.4, Peter PC, and so on. The db-nmap command stores the result of the port scan directly into the database, along with all relevant information. Type db-nmap 192.168.1.1 24-vv verbose mode output. Here you can see the Discord ports as 139, 135, 192.168.1.6, host, and so on. Once it complete, re-execute the host command. Here you can see that unknown PC MAC address. Now let's scan the 192.168.1.6. Here you can see that the three ports are opened and victim PC MAC address. Using this technique, now I am going to grab footprinting of victim PC. Type db_nmap-a -t4 192.168.1.6-vv. Here you can see that victim PC footprinting is grabbed, and also you will get PC NetBIOS name and so on. So that's it in this video on search targets in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.